Pedigree analysis. Pedigree is a family tree which is drawn with the standard genetic symbols which shows the inheritance pathway for specific phenotypic characters. Pedigree analysis is the study of traits as they have appeared in a given family line for several past generations. You might have studied the Punnett squares in the botany, right? So likewise, in the Punnett square, we can study the whatever be the thing given. Likewise, the pedigree is the family tree, which is drawn with genetic symbols like that of male and female. We have our own symbols, and with this we can study the inheritance pathway for specific phenotypic characters. So, with this pedigree, we can study the traits and how they have appeared in the given family by learning the past several generations.
See children, we just saw the, yes, what is pedigree? Pedigree is nothing but a family tree, right? So we are going to see the symbols and explanation of the figures given in a pedigree chart. The symbol square represent a male, whereas the circle represent a female. The square and circle are joined by a single line. That means they both got married. And the married, after the marriage symbol, that there will be a branch coming out. You can see there the branch coming out and giving rise to both like this. This is the thing representing a, yes, children born for the parents. If they are affected, then they will be fully completely shaded. If they are heterozygous, then they will be half shaded will be given. If they are the carrier of a disease, sex linked disease, then there will be a dot inside it. So if it is a circle, then it will be a female. If it is a square, then it will be a male. If it is a circle, if the circle is given here, you see, then it is a female. If it is instead of this, if this is a square, then it represents a male. Okay, this is a male carrier. This is a male carrier. If the square or circle is cut out, then it is called as death of the person. If it is in a triangle, then it is a dizygotic twins. The dizygotic twins, here they have represented with a like this, as a boy and a girl. Actually, a zygotic twins will be like this, and there will not be a line in between. Whereas the monozygotic twins have a line between. If that is a diamond rhombus shaped, then it is sex unspecified. If the parent gets 2 or more children, then that can be given in the box or the circle. That can be given in the square or in the circle. If the line is drawn like this, one line and a dot, then it is called as a stillbirth or aborted, or the sex is not specified. So the square fully shaded is called as propustus. The method of identifying Here you can see first generation and second generation representing the Roman numbers. So if it is a consanguineous marriages, what is meant by consanguineous marriage? Consanguineous marriage means the very closely blood related person getting married. The in Tamil we used to say morapaiya moraponnu, atta pasanga mama pasanga, they will get married. No, that will be represented actually like this: the square and a double bond and a circle. This is called as a consanguineous marriage. Here they have given as a single line.